Hi, it's Vias Tarot. Hello, Sagittarius placements. Okay, general and love reading ngayong Feb. Okay, so, yeah. Siyempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe. And yeah, hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi po tayo magme-message. Okay? So, yeah. Dagdag lang natin yung mga interested sa ating mga items. So meron tayong Evil Eye Protection, okay? Meron tayong ring. This is adjustable yung ring natin. Ring, necklace, meron din tayong bracelets, And yeah, itong love bracelet, meron din tayo. This is for love lang, ha? So ang sakop lang nito ay love. Situationship, relationship, connection, no label, yan, mga ganyan. Okay, so ipo-provide nito kung anong kailangan sa situation. So, si granter, taga-grant ng mga minamanifest. Siyempre, hindi naman lahat ng minamanifest mo is para sa'yo. Talaga. Okay, pwedeng hindi mo pa ka-frequency yung minamanifest mo. So, kung hindi pa ready, hindi pa available, surprises ang ibibigay sa'yo, ha? Okay? Ni granter, syempre. This is unisex, okay? And yung ating pang-cord cut. So, ito yung ating pang-cord cutting. So, ganyan siya. Medyo may pagka-bulky. So, may makikita kayo dyang mga stones. Okay? Iba't ibang klaseng stones. Anyway. So, ito yung parang nagsisilbing harang, okay, sa mga aalisin natin sa inyong energy. So, mahalaga ang real name. Okay? Mahalaga ang real name. Kung inyong iririgalo, pangirigalo, ibibigay kung kanino, kailangan namin yung pangalan nung pagbibigyan. Okay? So, yeah. Yun lamang. So, let's start the reading. Sagittarius. So, unahin natin yung general. Let's see. What's for you this Feb? Okay. Sagittarius placements. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Sandali lang. Hindi ko pa makuha. Yung energy. Sag. Anong kailangang malaman? Anong meron in general? Okay. There's this water sign na nireject mo, na talagang nireject mo talaga oo. Nireject mo siya, now they're sad, may mga panghihinayang. So ano bang meron? Pwedeng meron kayong re-reject na offer, love offer maybe, with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So yeah, the Ace of Pentacles, new beginnings, new opportunities. In general, what's with this Ace of Pentacles? The Four of Cups in reversed. So, nandito yung energy na by this month, merong hindi ka makukuha, pero may mas magandang parating in general. Okay? Ano tong Four of Cups na to na naka-reverse? Pwedeng love, pwedeng relationship na nag-end or mag-e-end ngayong Feb. I'm sorry, pero may ganong energy sa ikabubuti mo rin, kasi parang may darating na mas okay, sounds so cliche, pero yeah, gift yan ni universe sa'yo. Yeah, see, the Five of Pentacles in reversed, para mas maging okay. Iaalis ka ni universe sa hindi na magandang frequency when it comes to love, maybe. Yeah, the Judgment in reversed, cutting off cycles. So maybe si universe na yung gagawa ng way para may maalis, para may mag-end. So wag mong lalabanan. Okay? Like manghihinayang ka, i-fix mo, makikipag-ayos ka, makikipagbalikan ka, then kapag ginawa mo yun, masasayang lang yung energies mo. Okay? Okay, yeah. So, yeah, excuse me. So, what else for you, Saj? There's this money coming in. Iba sa inyo, ito ha, specific. Kung ikaw itong aalis sa isang situation na parang sobrang nakakapanlumo na, pagdating sa kaperahan mo, okay? Pagdating sa kaperahan mo, may magandang mangyayari. Lalo na kung love situation yung aalisan mo, yung unhealthy, okay? May magiging maganda. Oo, pagdating sa iyong kaperahan in general. Four of Wands reversed. What's with that? Some of you, may chance dito ng migration. I don't know. Pwedeng hindi ngayong Feb mangyari yan, pero yeah, may energy ng magma-migrate. Okay? Pwedeng, kung hindi man migration, pwedeng paglipat ng ibang bahay lang, like that. So, meron din akong nakukuhang renovation. Meron din ako nakikita ritong, sabihin natin, magpapagawa ng bahay, like bago. Okay? What's with this Four of Wands in reversed? Yeah, the King of Pentacles. So, may kaunti ang kurot, no? Pagdating sa pera. Pero, yeah, kailangan eh. Kailangan. Somebody, iba dito, maybe still expecting from someone or maybe somebody na may responsibility sa'yo, no? Anong meron dyan? Lalo na kung may anak kayo nitong taong to. Anong meron dyan? Na Five of Wands. Here they are. Here they are with their drama. With their drama, lies, deception, kung ano man. Yung energy is, sabihin natin, hindi nakabalik-balik or hindi nakaayos-ayos. Ang daming drama dito. Pwedeng iba sa inyo makakarinig ka from them, pero hindi ko nakikita na magiging maganda yung communication or conversation na mangyayari. Okay? May mag-unblock, and then kapag may nag-unblock, doon na mangyayari, no? Yung kadramahan na nakikita ko dito. So, what else for you, Saj? Iba sa inyo, may mga taong may inggit. Lalo na kung ikaw nga yung magpapagawa ng bahay, may magpaparenovate. Laging merong kontra. No? Laging may kontra. The Queen of Pentacles in reversed. What's with this? Some of you, this is talking about your health. The Two of Swords. So, pagpili na, no? Sabihin nating being healthy. Okay? Yeah, the Fool. So, may chance iba sa inyo kung susundin, if you have health problems, health issues, yan, kung susundin yung mga dapat sundin pagdating dyan, yeah, nakakuha ko ng energy na pwedeng sabihin nating may energy ng paggaling. Okay? May energy ng pagiging okay. Recovery. Okay? Recovery. Yeah. The Nine of Wands. Okay. Yeah. Kasi naman, syempre, nakakapagod, no? Kapag may sakit ka, hindi ka makagawa, hindi ka makakilos. Decision mo rin to. Kung hahayaan mo yung sarili mong makarecover. Okay? May iba kasi na talagang parang minamahal pa yung sakit eh. Totoo yun. Okay? So, some of you, you'll decide na guard up para makaranas ka ng, sabihin nating, peace of mind over sa isang situation. Okay? So, yeah. Yun ang akin nakikita for you in general. So, I'm specific. Okay. So, tayo tumungo na sa love read mo. Okay. Sagittarius placements. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Sag, anong meron? Sino itong iniisip mo? Who is this person you're thinking about? You're thinking of? Sag, anong meron sa kanya? Description. Bigyan mo kami. The Three of Pentacles, pwedeng nakakasama mo sa isang environment itong taong to. Pwedeng naging kasamahan mo sa work. Sana walang third party na involve. What's with this Three of Pentacles? The Two of Pentacles. This is Five of Pentacles in total, no? This is, sabihin nating this person, pwedeng kinakailangan mo siya pero hindi dapat. Siya yung taong feeling mo makakapagbigay ng kakontentuhan sa sarili mo pero hindi dapat. Kasi hindi dapat. Ha? Okay? Pwedeng hindi, mahirap na parang hindi kayo magkakasundo ng taong to. Pwedeng ikaw yes, siya no. In general, okay, there's imbalance here. Imbalance. Yung ba sa inyo magkahiwalay kayo sa ngayon? Pwedeng may nangyaring arguments. Ito yung taong may sariling opinion sa buhay. Yan, may sarili siyang mga gustong mangyari sa buhay niya and hindi mo siya kayang kontrolin or hindi mo siya kayang pigilan doon. Some of them, they're an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. May pagkamatigas yung ulo ng iba sa kanila. Okay? Oo, nandun din yung sabihin nating motivated. Oo. May motivation itong taong to. I don't know. That is channeled. Kailangan mo siya, pero hindi dapat. Or sabihin nating kahit kinakailangan mo, kailangan mong layuan or alisan. Okay. Anong situation? Anong situation ninyo? Sag. Situation. The Lovers. Okay. And meron ba ditong somebody, pwedeng meron talagang kakonect. No? Meron talaga. Why the Lovers? Yeah. The Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Ito yung situation na yes, gusto mo siyang makasama. Siya na yung para sa akin, tingin ko. Pero this is a missed opportunity. A missed opportunity. May nangyari pong separation, may nangyaring fallout. I think itong connection na to is divinely guided. Kailangan mangyari itong connection na to. Parang ganyan. Maraming itinuro sa'yo itong taong to. Sa totoo lang, Sagittarius. See? The Wheel of Fortune. I think this is divinely guided. Kailangan mangyari itong connection na to. Kailangan yung mag-connect. Okay? Pero hindi pwedeng hindi pwedeng magkatuluyan. Pinagtagpo pero di tinadhana. mga ganong energy. No? Ay, this is sad. Some of you feel a strong connection with this person. Maybe both of you are still feeling the connection. Energetically, maybe. So, let's see what is their emotion for you, Sag. Deep down. Their emotion for you. The Empress in reverse. Ay, talaga naman. Divinely guided. Iba sa inyo, feeling niya, ikaw yung kanyang yin, no? Sa kanyang yang. Mga ganun. Oo. Okay. Ang laking kawalan mo dito sa sa taong to, Sag. Feeling niya, why? See the Hermit. Feeling niya na wala sa kanya lahat. See, the Ace of Cups. In reverse, the Nine of Swords. What? Nakakakuha na naman ako ng cross-watcher dito. Somebody's cross-watching Sagittarius. Daman-daman ito yung pag-iisa niya. Daman-daman niya. Feeling niya, hindi ka na magbabalik. Pero kailangan tanggapin. Parang disisit pansit. Parang yun na yun. Like that. Ito na yun. Wala nang balikan to. Parang ganun. Yeah, there's this separation. So, una pa lang. Kailangan yung magwakas. Oo, yung istorya nyo. Hi! Nakakarinig ako dito. Divine feminine, divine masculine energy. Twin flame, strong connection. So, let's see what is their next action towards you. The star in reverse. Oh, yeah. Hindi na sila ganun ka-hopeful. Parang isinusurrender na lang niya to. Why the star in reversed? The Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, in reversed. Kasi feeling niya wala rin naman patutunguhan. Wala rin namang mangyayari. Yeah, this is sabihin nating pwedeng itong kakonect mo, Sag. Meron siyang sabihin nating isa pang kakonect. The Empress, pwedeng may anak to kung sa tingin natin na walang person involved. Pwedeng may anak siya. Parang ganyan. And I think yun ang mas inuuna niya sa ngayon. Kung may family, kung may asawa man to, yeah, may mga kakonek, pwedeng yun ang inuuna niya sa ngayon. Okay, yeah, the Queen of Pentacles, yeah, the Hierophant, pwedeng kasal to. Pwedeng may anak, may asawa. So, para sa kanya, yung connection nyo, yeah, gusto ka niya, sa totoo lang, pero hindi pwede. This is a missed opportunity pagdating sa kanya. Sobra. They miss you. Pero na-isolate nila yung sarili nila from you. Okay? Some of you, meron ditong nawala na yung attraction. Sa totoo lang. Yung attraction lang ang nawala. Pero yeah, this is strong. This is deep. No, na connection. Kahit nawala yung attraction, nandun pa rin yung sabihin nating importansya mo pagdating sa kanya. Anyway, so next action is not to take action. No? Oo. Hindi na para ilaban to, parang ganyan, kasi wala rin namang patutunguhan. Yeah, waste of time, parang ganun. This is sad. Sad. So yeah, the Four of Wands, yeah, the Ten of Pentacles, meron nga dito na talagang may anak, may kinakasama, may family nga, kasal. So, let's see. Outcome/advice for you, Sag. Okay, the Nine of Pentacles. Stay single. Stay single from them, from this. Okay? And focus on your stability, on your career, kung ano man. Okay? So, talaga magiging single ka. Yeah, Death in reversed. Yeah, Ten of Swords. Justice. I think, itong taong to, naging patas lang din sa'yo. Naging patas siya sa'yo. No? Nag-isip to The Hermit. Alam mo, bago kanya bitawan, I think, inaral niya to. Tiningnan din niya. Hindi siya kumuha ng desisyon galing sa kanyang emosyon. This is logic. The Hermit. Pinag-aralan niya tong maigi. Yes. Kasi, yeah, andun nga yung importansya mo, nandoon yung love niya sa'yo, nandun yung concern niya sa'yo. No? So, mahirap din sa kanya, nabitawan ka, Saj, pero kailangan. Justice. Ay nang parang talagang naging patas na lang itong taong to. Sa'yo, sa sarili niya, sa mga nakapaligid sa inyo. Okay? So, stay single. Ayun ang sinasabi. Death in reversed. So, yeah, I think parang ito na yung bagong panimula, no, sa buhay mo. This is like a new chapter. Depende sa'yo kung hahayaan mo yung sarili mo magkaroon ng new chapter. Okay? Pero kung hindi, well, mas stuck ka dito. This is a strong connection. Yeah, strong one. Some of them, they're watching you. Yeah, they're watching you. Yeah, see? Kung hindi ka aalis, kung hindi mo hayaan sarili mo na mag-discover pa ng iba, walang mangyayari. Kailangan mo, okay, na umalis sa cycle. Iwasan ng emosyon. Kasi kapag emosyon ng emosyon, hindi ka makakalayo dito. Temperance in reversed. Maging fair ka rin sa sarili mo, Saj. This is you. You have to, talikuran na rin itong connection na to. Hanggat maaari. Para rin sa'yo. Okay? Maraming involved dito. Una pa lang. Okay? Kung ito man, may nakuha akong energy. Kung ito man is nag-offer ng connection with you and alam mo na they're committed na already, keep an arm's distance from them. Just say no. Okay? So, yun lang. So, we have here Scorpio, Pisces, Scorpio, Earth, Aquarius, Earth, Virgo, Taurus, Libra, Virgo, Earth sign, Gemini, and the Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, let's see. Okay, all signs for Sagittarius placements. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All signs. So, the sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Aries. No good cooperation. No cooperation. Arguments. Taurus. May chance na may mag-reach out na Taurus, pero puro away lang din. So, forget them. Gemini, they're walking away, leaving their emotions behind. Cancer, they're afraid. Some of them, nandiyan yung anger. Okay? Feeling ni Cancer yan, niloko mo siya. Well, or pwedeng ikaw ang niloloko ni Cancer. Leo, there's imbalance. Virgo, no stability with the Virgo. Maybe a short-term connection. Libra, they have many questions, no? And some of them pwedeng merong decision. Itong si Libra, kung umalis sa'yo ito, pikit mata itong lumayo. Okay? Pikit mata siyang lumayo sa'yo. Scorpio, gusto ng new beginning. Or maybe they're focusing on new beginning, pero andun yung takot sila. Yeah. Sagittarius, unfinished business. Marami pang kailangang malaman. Marami pang kailangang mangyari. Parang ganyan. You're stuck. Some of you. You're stuck with this Sag. Capricorn, they're giving you trauma. Past trauma. Maybe this is your ex, I think. They're bitter. Aquarius, they want to see you. They're just waiting. They want to see you. They want to hear from you. Pisces, setting healthy boundaries. Kailangan, okay? Pwedeng si Pisces or ikaw sa kanya. Okay? This is talking about healing. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Sagittarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.